All right, so in this video here, we are doing a quick review of distributing and simplifying or adding like terms. So we got a couple of examples here of what we're going to be going over in this video. Here we go. We're going to distribute 3 times x plus 9. So we're going to multiply the 3 times the x, and we're going to multiply the 3 times the 9. Here we go. 3 times x, 3x. And then we also have the 3 times 9, so that's going to be a plus 27. And in this example, we're going to be doing -7 times the quantity of -2x plus 8. So we're going to multiply the -7 times the -2x and the -7 times the positive 8. Here we go. -7 times -2x. We have a negative times a negative, so that's going to be positive. And then we do 7 times 2 to make 14 x's. Next up, -7 times a positive 8. Negative times positive is negative. And then 7 times 8 is going to make 56 for the product there. Here we're going to simplify or add like terms. So when we do this, we do need to identify the like terms. So let's start with the x terms. We have an 8x there and a plus 6x there. So we're going to add x's. We have 8x's plus 6x's for a total of 14 x's. There's only one constant term, that's the plus 5, so we can put that right there. Let's go ahead and add like terms or simplify 3y minus 2 plus 9y plus 12. We're going to start by identifying the variable terms or the y terms. We have a 3y there and a plus 9y right there. So remember with these, the operation in front of your number there tells you what you're doing. So this is a plus 9y. And so we have 3y's plus 9y's is going to make a grand total of 12y's. We have the y's done. Now let's look at the constant terms. We have a minus 2 and a plus 12. So we're doing a -2 plus a 12. So this is subtract 2 from 12. So we are thinking with these ones here, if you think money, you have to pay $2. You have 12. So after you pay the money, you'll still have $10 in your pocket. Let's go ahead and add like terms here. Remember, like terms have the same variables and they have the same exponents. So with this here, we'll start with the x squared terms. We have an 8x squareds there and 5x squareds there for a grand total of 13x squareds. Now we only have one term that is just a plain old x, so that's a plus 6x there. Quick wrap up here. When we distribute, this is a number times an expression. So we're going to multiply the number times all 2 or 3 or 4, however many there are. So in this case here, there's only 2. If you had 3 terms here, you would have 3 multiplications to do there. Now for adding like terms, remember we identify the like terms, the variable terms, the x's, the y's, and then normally we do the constant terms last.